Changing your payout method on RapidWorkers is a straightforward process. Follow these steps to ensure your payment preferences are updated correctly. Step 1. Log into your account. Access your RapidWorkers account by entering your username and password on the login page. Step 2. Navigate to Account Settings. Once logged in, locate the Account Settings or Profile section in the main menu. Click on it to access your account details. Step 3. Select Payout Method. In Account Settings, find the option labeled Payout Method or Payment Preferences. Click on this option to view your current payout methods. Step 4. Choose your new payout method. Don't continue before doing this. A lot of online accounts end up exposed in breaches without people even realizing it. Use SROC to constantly monitor your email and accounts and get alerted immediately if your information gets leaked online. It scans billions of breach records 24/7 in the background. And honestly, for a few dollars a month, it's something everybody should probably have. Link in the description. Step 5. Save changes. After selecting your new payout method, make sure to save your changes. Look for a Save or Update button and click it to confirm your new payment preference. Make sure to double-check your new payout method details to avoid any issues with future payments. Following these steps will help you successfully change your payout method on RapidWorkers.